Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can pay my Bank of America credit card bills. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Go to Bank of America website and log into your account. Step 2. Click on the Transfer Zelle option located at the top menu, and under it, select the Between My BOFA account option. Step 3. Your credit card payment details containing your due amount will appear here. Click on the tab. Select the From option to input Juno bank account details. Step 4. Now, go to the Juno app on your phone or website. Go to the Account tab from the home screen, and then click the More button. Under it, select the Bill Pay option. Step 5. Copy the Juno bank account and routing numbers to add a bank as a payment option on the service provider's website. Go to the Bank of America account tab and paste the bank account details under the From tab. Your account details are successfully saved. Step 6. Next, select the payment amount and payment date. Once done, click on the Next button. Step 7. The final step is to verify all the information, and then once you have verified, you can click on the Schedule button to make the payment. Once the payment has been made, your cash will be deducted from your Juno account.